One of the issues that's continuously being raised in conversations and in coaching sessions is where people tell me they don't have the self-confidence to do something. They're not smart enough, they're not this, that, and the following. And the challenge with that is that it most of the time is not true. Why? Because it's a limiting belief. What is a limiting belief? Limiting beliefs are those things that somebody else told you about yourself that is not true, but you believe it. And that becomes your boundary. If you believe you don't have confidence, or you're not tall enough, or you're not smart enough, or not fast enough, or do not have enough knowledge, or whatever the situation may be, there's something that you can do. There's a small or a short process that you can follow to turn that limiting belief around into something that is positive. The first thing that you need to do in this process